Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be testing out a Laura in the Kitchen recipe. This is her spaghetti with pancetta and peas recipe, and she actually promoted this one on her Instagram page last week, and so I sent her a message and I was like, I'm totally going to make this because I've never actually had a pasta dish with peas in it before, and that's what kind of intrigued me for this recipe. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me with testing it out for the first time. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. I first got my water boiling because this is a quick recipe, and then I got going on the pancetta with oil, garlic, and pancetta, and I had to use 3 less ounces because that's just what we had at the store, and my red pepper flakes just to taste. And this is what's going to take the longest in the recipe. You just got to cook it and just keep going until it gets really nice and crispy. So after a good 10 minutes, I added in my pasta to the water and made sure to stir that the whole time for the first minute or two until the water got up to a boil to make sure that nothing stuck together, because that's not good. And my pancetta was about halfway done, so I just kind of kept letting it go and kept an eye on my garlic in case it started to burn. And then once my pasta had about a minute left, I tested it just to make sure. I added in my frozen peas just straight into the water and then just cooked that until they were a vibrant green color but not overly cooked. And I saved about a cup of pasta water, drained my pasta and my peas in my strainer, and then added the water to my pancetta for like the sauce, and then added the pasta and peas straight into the pot and seasoned with pepper only, parsley, and Parmesan, no salt because the pancetta is salty enough. And then I spent a little bit of time just stirring it together, cooking it in it, making sure that that sauce was coating every little strand of that pasta. So that's it. So I'm gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. I gotta get some pancetta in there though. I can't grab it. Here's a pea. What is my issue right now? Holy crap. I sounded like an Irish person.
Holy crap!
I can't even get it. I'm just going to pick one up. Okay. I got sauce on my nose. This is really nice. It's not an overly abundantly flavorful dish, but the flavors that are there are just really speaking for themselves, and I really, really like that. This was a really good, quick, easy weeknight dinner, and I love the little pops of sweetness from the peas and the creamy kind of oiliness from the sauce with the salty bites of pancetta. This is a really good dinner, guys. I highly recommend you make this. Go to laurainthekitchen.com to check out the recipe. This is a 10 out of 10 from Brie. But thank you guys so much for watching me test out this recipe for you guys. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes tested, and leave me a comment down below with any more recipes that you guys want to see, and give me a thumbs up for this one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.